Hi, in the previous video we looked at channel tab overview. In this video we look at analytics tab overview. This is just overview. See, this is not having activities to show. Okay, then I thought this is my sister's channel. Yeah, this is not having any activity. That's why it is not showing anything. Once we log into some channel which is having some activity, you see all these things like watch time, average view duration, views, estimated revenue, and likes, dislikes. This is all for last 28 days. We see analytics overview. Analytics means analysis about your channel. That is and which video is earning what, all those things, and showing top geographies. Indians are watching because this is a Telugu channel in Telugu. So definitely we don't expect from other countries. And gender, male and female. Really, this is definitely a great insight. See, we expected, my sister especially expected that female may watch her videos more, but actually male watching 65%, female is watching 35%, because only male needs how to cook videos, not female. That's what is the fundamental thing. But definitely based on this we get some idea, okay, like male watching our videos, so we have to target those people. So that kind of decisions we have to take based on analytics. Traffic sources, we explain these things in detail about we talk about analytics in a future section. But to get an idea, this is where you get overall idea about your channel. Like for example, revenue, this gives you how much revenue this is making. And for example, if you click on lifetime, see, this made around 8,400 rupees in the last 1.5 year. Of course, we are not uploading actively. I told you her interest is not to make much money, just she want to make videos whenever she has time, and but she uploaded casually. She is doing very regularly, but she's making money. That is the most important thing for you, and is slowly increasing. That is also important, and it shows what devices people are watching. See, mobile phone, computer, tablet. Most of the time mobile people are watching on mobile. See, views, mobile phone, 76% is on mobile phone. Computer is only 17%, and tablet again almost it's coming nearer to computers. So try to understand, people are watching mostly on mobile phone because they open the video and generally they cook. That is how they do. See, this kind of insights you get from analytics. Just open your channel and play with the analytics. See you in the next video. Thank you.